So this is a quick video just to show how to fit one of my master collector handles. So this is one of mine, or the leather handle, maybe soon, but for now all this is screwed down really tight, and it puts a lot of pressure on the white handle and that screw, so it makes it quite difficult to remove. The best way I've found to do it, you take the bottom cap out, fully with the battery, and then rather than unscrewing the screw out, screw a screw in. Put quite a bit of pressure on just to make sure it doesn't slip. And once it's all the way in, a bit more. There's your grub screw out, falling through from the inside. Can remove the old handle. One of my new handles, I've already got a cosmetic screw in there. Don't worry, it's not going to go anywhere. Once you've got this bottom piece on, it's secure. So you can just slide that over. You can even position that the other way around now if you want, like some of the props, and now with the stitching. So, put that back in. And I'm just going to tighten this up. That's it. And you can see that it's not going anywhere. That's me really putting quite a bit of pressure on there. I can't move it. And then much easier to remove. There you go.